Number 1. Relieves muscle cramps. Epsom salt can help treat muscle cramps and relieve sore muscles after workouts. Magnesium effectively eases pain and reduces inflammation. This in turn promotes muscle relaxation and healing. Make a thick paste of Epsom salt and hot water. Apply it on the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes to get soothing comfort. Another option is to soak your body in a tub of warm water with 1 cup of Epsom salt for at least 20 minutes. Your muscle cramps will likely heal after one application or bath. If needed, repeat the process the next day. Number 2. Relieve itchy skin and bug bites. Dissolve a tablespoon of Epsom salt in a cup of water and let it cool. Spritz on bug bites or itchy skin to help calm the itch. Number 3. Eliminates toxins from the body. The sulfates in Epsom salt help flush toxins and heavy metals from the cells, easing muscle pain and helping the body to eliminate harmful substances. Your skin is a highly porous membrane, and adding the right minerals to your bath water triggers a process called reverse osmosis, which actually pulls salt out of your body and harmful toxins along with it. For a detoxifying bath, at least once weekly, add 2 cups of our Ultra Epsom salt to the water in a bathtub and soak for 10 minutes. Number 4. Foot soak. It's pretty common knowledge that soaking your feet in Epsom salts is good for soothing away aches and pains. But did you know that it can also help to treat athlete's foot and toenail fungal infections? Simply add a half cup of Epsom salts to warm water and soak your feet for as long as you want, or until the water gets cold, to alleviate the itching and burning and help heal feet faster. Number 5. Hangover relief. Drink a teaspoon of Epsom salt with some water and then follow it up with a lot of water. The Epsom salt should help with flushing out the toxins, but make sure you drink a lot of water to rehydrate. Number 6. Exfoliate your skin. By rubbing a handful of Epsom salts over damp skin, you can easily remove dead cells, helping your skin to look healthier and feel softer. Use this treatment on hands, feet, and everything in between.